everyone, welcome back to Kids Cook, Summertime Tales and Tales edition. And we have our friend Squirrelums here.
Hi!
It's going to give you a little tip on what we're going to be making. Although it's not quite a squirrel, it's a squirrel's cousin perhaps.
Yes, it's my cousin George.
We are going to be doing little gophers today. Can you see him? Isn't he funny? Could be a groundhog too, but look at the teeth. Okay, so for this recipe, what we're going to need is a large cracker, like that. Very white, but you can use any cracker you can find. That's kind of a little bit larger than the Nilla wafers. We're going to need 2 Nilla wafers.
Yum, yum.
We're going to need two big eyes. No, Google, edible eyes. And 3 chocolate chips, or you can use butterscotch or vanilla. That's for the nose and the part. Oh, the ears. And we will need 1 mini marshmallow.
1?
Cut in half, just like
That's
that.
like
For the
nothing.
teeth.
I can eat like 20.
Okay, so I'm going to start off by putting a little peanut butter. Oh, we need peanut butter too. We've been using a lot of peanut butter this summer, and if you have something else that you would like to substitute, feel free to substitute, right?
Yeah.
It's always okay with us. Okay, so there you go. You're going to take your cheeks, like that. You got a couple cheeks. He looks a little bit like a walrus right now, doesn't he?
Yeah.
You could probably get a couple of those like little tusks and make it into a walrus too.
Like pretzels.
I'm gonna push. Oh, pretzels, yeah. Oh, teeth.
He's
How's
gotta go
he
to the
look now?
dentist.
That's so cute. You got the eyes. 1 eye, 2 eyes, and the kids will love making this. This is something fun to do together. You know, theirs are gonna come out original.
Yeah.
I'm going to leave a little space for the nose in the center, which may slide around a little bit because it just, okay, there we go. He looks like he's losing his teeth. Okay, so what's missing? What's missing, Squirrelums?
I don't know if he can hear anything. Can he hear anything?
I think he can.
He might need some.
So I am going to take my peanut butter and just put a little bit more on top, just for safety's sake. And I have peanut butter everywhere today. And I am going to take the 2 chocolate chips and just make them into cute little ears on top of his head. Maybe space them out a little bit.
So cute.
And there you go. There's your little friend.
Oh my goodness.
He's so silly. And you can play with the ears a little bit. You can do them sideways if you like. You can make them wider if you like. And he's so adorable.
I love him.
It's somewhat nutritious because it does have the peanut butter, right?
Yeah.
So that's our little gopher today. And so our next project is going to be, once again, with peanut butter. We're going to make a little animal train with celery and peanut butter. And I suppose you could use cream cheese as well. And we have some animal crackers. And always choose the animal crackers of your choice. So that, oh, let me push this back a little bit. Can you see them? They're lining up.
Elephant.
This is so cool. This is Miss Tristan's idea.
And giraffe.
Oh, what's this one? Oh, an elephant.
Another elephant. Wow.
And you might have room for 1 more on your animal train if you push them back just a little bit.
Beep, beep.
Oh my goodness, that is so cool.
That is so cool.
And it's so easy and so simple. The kids are going to love doing this again.
Yes.
Yeah. The gopher might be a little bit more difficult, but it's not really too bad. These are just like fun little cooking things to do with your kiddos that don't involve actually cooking.
Yeah.
So it saves you time, and it's a fun activity as well.
Yes. Definitely.
So what do you think, Squirrelums?
Those celery sticks with peanut butter are looking really nice. You might have to hand one over.
So thank you so much for joining us for our Kids Cook Summer Edition, Tales and Tales. If you decide to make some kind of animal creation that you can eat this summer, share it on our Facebook page along with this post. Do your own thing with it, make it original, and share it with us.
Yeah, that'd be great.
And you can catch all of our Kids Cook videos on YouTube, and along with all the other things we do.
Yes.
So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for joining us, and have a great summer, everybody. Bye, Squirrelums.